once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. For example, I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Go the extra mile. To make extra effort. She always goes the extra mile for her customers. See eye to eye. To agree completely with someone. For example, we don't always see eye to eye on politics. Break a leg, a way to wish someone good luck. For example, break a leg before your performance tonight. Let the cat out of the bag. To reveal a secret accidentally. He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise. Get cold feet. To become too nervous to do something. For example, he got cold feet before the big presentation.
Hit the sack. To go to bed. For example, I'm tired, so I'm going to hit the sack.
Burn the midnight oil. To work or study late at night. For example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. Under the weather. To feel slightly ill or unwell. I'm feeling under the weather today. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. A piece of cake. Something that is very easy to do. For example, the test was a piece of cake.
Cost an arm and a leg. To be very expensive. That car cost him an arm and a leg.
Break the ice. To make people feel more comfortable. For example, he told a joke to break the ice.